As you have seen, VertiPack Analyzer provides you with tons of information, a lot more information that a regular user would ever want to know about their database. Nevertheless, this information in the hands of a technician are extremely important because they give us a very clear information about the database, where the space is being used, and which column might be a problem. Now, you always need to start from DAX Studio if you want to use VertiPack Analyzer because you need to generate a VPACS file. And DAX Studio already offers you an overview of the information. So which one is better, VertiPack Analyzer or DAX Studio? They complement each other. DAX Studio contains basically the first page of VertiPack Analyzer, the one that contains the most relevant information. So if you want to have a quick look at the database and understand very quickly what is the content of the model and what are the tables that might create more issues, then DAX Studio is your best friend. But if you want to perform a deeper assessment, a detailed analysis of all the columns, how they have been encoded, how many partitions are there, and which columns and table use more space, and most important, why, then in that case, you need to export the VPACS file, open it with VertiPack Analyzer, and go into a more detailed view of all the information which are available in your model. With all that said, if you are curious about your model size, well, running DAX Studio and then VertiPack Analyzer will give you very detailed information about your model, why is it large, and what are the columns that you need to focus on in order to improve the performance of your model. Enjoy VertiPack Analyzer!